In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an iPhone that has got no sound or is having some speaker issues. So let's just dive straight into the video and get started with the first fix. So this one is super obvious and many of you might already know this, but I'll tell you just in case, as even for myself, I fall for this all the time. So on the side of the iPhone, there's actually a dedicated switch for silent mode. So if you can see that little orange section there, that just tells you that the iPhone is on silent mode. So you won't kind of get any incoming calls or anything along those lines. So if you want to kind of disable that, you just have to toggle that up until you can no longer see the orange there as well. Now, while you're on this side of the phone, you can also press the volume up button just to ensure that the ringer volume is louder. So again, super obvious, but it's just good to check just in case you haven't checked that off your list. Now, the next thing that I recommend you to do is to go into the settings app on the iPhone. Now, once here, we want to go to sounds and haptics. So there's actually a secondary volume control here. So if you've got this disabled here, change with buttons, and this is on low, this means that all of your alerts and incoming phone calls will be at a very low volume, as this is actually controlled separately from the buttons on the side. So if I push this button all the way up on the side here, as you can see, that's set to loud. However, this is set to low. So if I just toggle this up a little bit, just scroll to the right, this will increase my incoming call, my text messages, and my notifications. And also, if you want to control this with your buttons as well, you can just toggle this on, and that means that whenever you're listening to music or videos, the same volume will also apply to your ringtones and alerts. Now, the next thing that I recommend you to do is to actually go and force restart your iPhone device. So this is just like when you restart a computer or a TV, and this will remove kind of any temporary software glitches that may be causing the sound issue for your speakers. So if you're on an iPhone 10 and above, you can force restart your device by clicking on the volume up, down, and then pressing and holding onto the power button in quick succession. So I'll just go and do that now just to demonstrate to you. So volume up, down, and then hold and press onto the power button. And I'm going to keep pressing and holding until the Apple logo comes up. If I just give this a moment, the screen will go black. And then if I give it another 5 to 10 seconds, this will go and show the Apple logo there. So I'll just let the phone reboot. And just quickly, this is a great step as it will not remove any information from your phone. All your photos, contacts, apps will be exactly as they were. So I'll just let that reboot really quickly. Now, once this is back, once this is back up, the next thing that I recommend you to do is to actually go and kind of find any headphones or AirPods that you may have connected to your device. So in many situations, if you've recently connected some kind of lightning cable headphones, or maybe even some AirPods, this can actually kind of trick the iPhone into thinking that it's still being played through the external audio device. So what you want to do specifically for lightning headphones is you just want to put it into the lightning port, and then you just want to pull it out in quick succession, put it back in, pull it back out, like so. And I find this is actually a really, really great step for kind of removing the temporary glitch of the iPhone thinking that it's playing through kind of external headphones like this. And you can also go and repeat the same process with AirPods as well. You just have to open up the AirPods, connect it, and then disconnect, and follow that a few different times as well. So the next thing that I recommend you to try is to actually go and clean your iPhone speaker. So with us having our iPhones in our pockets, our backpacks, and so on, the speakers can actually get incredibly dirty with dust and grime, and this actually muffles the sound that comes out of the speaker. So what I usually do is just get like an old dry toothbrush, and I can just kind of clean out any of the gunk, and you'll actually be surprised at how much comes out. Or alternatively, you can use something like a wooden toothpick or a Q-tip And you just want to be quite gentle there as to not puncture any of the speaker grills. You do want to be quite gentle with getting all that gunk out as well. And also for the newer iPhones, there's actually a secondary speaker up the top, so you also want to clean that as well. Now, the next thing I recommend you to do, and this one is quite a bit strange, but this has been known to work quite well, especially for the older iPhone versions. And what we want to do is just press and hold onto both corners down the bottom of the phone. Now, if you've recently dropped your phone on, say, the corner of it, this can actually dislodge the connectors for the speakers. This is just a really simple fix. It is a little bit strange, but this has actually worked for me for my older iPhones. So you just want to kind of press quite firmly to try and relodge those connectors that might have come undone. Now, once we've done that, the next thing that I recommend you to try is to go back into the settings, and then we can go to Bluetooth. And this is kind of similar to the step of disconnecting and connecting the headphones. Now we want to do something similar with the Bluetooth, as in some cases, the Bluetooth might think that it's still connected to maybe your car, your TV, or a Bluetooth speaker. So we just want to disconnect this, turn it off, and just try and play music or sound through the phone as well. And now the next thing that I recommend you to do is to now go and reset the settings on your phone. So for whatever reason, maybe you've set up the wrong settings on your phone. This may also cause temporary issues and glitches. So to reset the settings, we can go back into settings, go to general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Now we'll go to reset. And all we want to do here is just reset all settings. So this will kind of reset your network settings, your kind of audio settings, all those things. And you just want to be careful not to reset all the other things. You just want to click on reset all settings. So that is recommended as well if you're still having this issue and nothing is working. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully one of these solutions did help you with resolving the no sound on your iPhone device. If it did, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.